are a graduate na ng automotive at meron ng 5 years experience, you have to go through skills assessment so that you can approach an employer and approach the skilled visa. Kasi sabi ko nga, pwede naman yan. Yung mayroon ng mga ganyang experience, huwag na kayong mag-student visa kasi ang laki ng tuition fee. Pwede naman na kayo. You just have to go through the skills assessment process. Yung sinasabi kong doon pa lang may gastos na kayo ng 5,000. Then of course, kung kukuha pa kayo ng professional help, meron ding meron ding bayad yon. Pero good thing about that is when you have the skills assessment, nag-apply kayo whether online or direct hire, which ma-accept naman kayo. Tinanggalan nyo na ng isang delaying reason yung employer para kunin kayo. Kasi ibig sabihin, you're ready to go. So the only thing that they need to do is of course do their labor market testing, mag-advertise ng position, and then while that is ongoing, pwede ka na nilang ma-interview and things like that. So mabilisan yon kesa sa mag-a-apply kang mekaniko ka tapos wala ka namang skills assessment. Ang tagal niyan, no? 6 months yan ang process niyan. So hindi naman mag-aantay sa yung employer to finish your skills assessment and then sponsor you. So, yeah, yung mga ganoong situation. So, trade skills assessment under Trades Recognition Australia is what you need if you have that qualification and work experience. Okay.